Equipment preparation.
Please prepare the following items.
Connect the camera to the DVR. Flip the DVR to the back and connect the power supply, monitor, mouse and router in turn. Connect camera to the BNC cable. Connect all cameras to the power supply and to the DVR via BNC cable. Connect all the camera to 1:4 power splitter via BNC cable. Connect 1:4 power splitter to the power adapter.
Wait for the picture to come out.
Add DVR device by app. The first, scan code to download ZOSI Smart app.
Scan the QR code for the latest version.
Secondly, register and login app. Thirdly, add NVR device by app. Click plus. Scan the QR code on the machine. Select DVR. Set a name for the device. Install the camera. Find a suitable installation location. Attach the installation sticker. Drill holes as shown in the picture, and nail in the rubber plugs. Fix the camera to the mounting sticker with screws. Adjust it to the right angle.
Add on new cameras.
Method: wired connection via BNC cable. Connect the BNC cable and power supply, and wait for the camera to produce a picture automatically.